Mexico is becoming a rich country, and almost nobody saw it coming.
Mexico is no longer waiting. It is moving. Geography gave Mexico a hidden advantage. Factories are coming back, closer than ever. Nearshoring changes everything.
Mexico's exports are reshaping trade.
Oil once powered Mexico's rise.
Mexico took control of its resources. Mexico was rising fast.
Then, everything stopped. Mexico chose openness. Exports surged. Mexico became a manufacturing hub. Value moved up the chain.
Growth reached people.
Mexico's story is still being written. Growth alone is not enough. Productivity matters. Skills will define Mexico's future. Time is still on Mexico's side. Not all growth is visible on paper.
Mexico is not following the old path. It is creating its own.
Capital followed stability. Global trade began to reroute. Reliability became a competitive advantage. Energy is evolving again. Growth needed foundations. Stability is still being built.
Money became more accessible.
Growth scaled from the ground up.
Efficiency finally scaled.
Mexico is no longer catching up.
Cities absorbed opportunity.
Labor followed opportunity.
Growth is uneven. Rules began to change.
Distance became an advantage. Proximity increased productivity.
Capital access remains limited. Finance slowly adapted.
Skills became an investment. Time will change the equation.
Time will change the equation.
Dependence brings risk.
Markets must diversify.
Trust underpins growth. The direction is set. North America is functioning as one system. Growth brings new pressures.
Industry is learning to adapt.
Ideas began to scale.
Capital began to back when ideas.
Not all berries are gone.
Capital began to back ideas.
Exports grew more complex. Demand also came from within. Stability must be maintained. Stability required discipline.
Confidence strengthened the peso.
Perception began to change.
Talent stayed home. And the
Momentum became structural. Reliability became Mexico's brand.
Speed reduced risk.
Resources remain finite. Systems were reinforced. Skills caught up with opportunity. Not all regions advanced equally. Growth began to spread south. Ports scaled to global demand.
Cities faced new strains.
Cities began to think digitally.
Firms planned for the long term.
Rules required enforcement.
Trust reduced friction.
Manufacturing went deeper. Mexico redefined itself. Automation accelerated output.
Intelligence entered the factory floor.
Power supply must keep pace.
Capacity expanded again. Strategy began to align. Talent moved both ways. Demand for labor increased. Technology filled the gaps. Standards unlocked markets.
Success raised prices.
Industry adapted upward. Supply chains moved closer.
Margins tightened.
Efficiency restored margins.
Mexico reached competitive maturity.
Manufacturing returned closer to home. Rules stayed predictable.
Politics remained loud.
Institutions outlasted politics. Growth reached services too. Climate risks are real. Adaptation became necessary investment. A middle class expanded. Prosperity remains uneven.
Growth goals evolved.
The tax net widened.
Formality remains incomplete.
Technology pulled more people in.
Understanding money became essential.
Mexico reached economic maturity.
Confidence feeds growth.
Firms expanded with confidence. Growth strained cities. Solutions followed pressure. Energy began to change again.
Mexico became a trusted label.
Not everyone moved at the same pace.
Integration is the next frontier.
Wealth is measured in people.
Mexico's voice grew louder.
No path is risk-free.
Preparation became policy. A new generation took the lead.
Mexico now competes globally.
Mexico is no longer becoming rich. It is arriving.